I've been to TMRE now 4 times, and this is my 4th time being a keynote speaker here over the last 8 years, I'd say. And what I love about the market research event is that it brings together so many people that are doing the research and developing the tools. So it's a nice intersection where you can get a little bit more practical to see examples of what people are doing, and as well, you can actually see what new companies are up to.
TMRE is really the biggest industry event of the year that I think brings the most clients and most innovative suppliers together all in one space, and I look forward to the keynotes, to the networking, to meeting with people that I don't get to see much of throughout the year.
I've made points of connection and started to actually have insights about my own practice through talking to these people that I never would have had if I hadn't come to this conference, so it's been invaluable.
I've been impressed by all the sessions I've seen. I think the theme was consistent across all sessions. It was easy to follow. I think the content was, to me, what made the conference really strong and very exciting. I'm excited to come back, if I can, the year after, because it was a great experience for that.